Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain Arceus X v5. This tool is recognized as a Roblox exploit, enabling users to execute custom scripts within their favorite Roblox games. It aims to provide additional functionalities not typically found in the original game. Arceus X v5 is developed for use across multiple platforms, including Android, iOS, and Windows devices, offering broad accessibility. The installation process for Arceus X v5 varies by device. For Android users, it generally involves downloading and installing an APK file. Those on personal computers often use an Android emulator, such as BlueStacks, to run the application. For iOS devices, the process might involve specific IPA file installation methods. It is always important to ensure that any downloads. The upper of the RunSwift 3 features flywire cables, which integrate with the laces to provide a secure and supportive fit, especially around the midfoot. Its mesh upper ensures excellent breathability. The Quest 5 also uses a breathable mesh upper, but it incorporates a midfoot fitbend system for enhanced stability. While the Swift 3 tends to be more accommodating for wider feet, the Quest 5's toe box can be narrower, offering a snugger feel. Arceus X v5 claims to offer a range of features, such as infinite jump, super speed, and B-tools, to enhance gameplay. It often includes a built-in script hub, providing easy access to a wide variety of scripts. Newer versions may even integrate artificial intelligence for script optimization and creation. However, it is important to remember that using such tools can potentially violate the terms of service of the game platform.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.